Hello friends, I'm Pavitra here. Welcome to the show Store Watch. We are in today Purple Turtle, which is in Indiranagar 100 feet road near the subway. Come, let's do visit the shop. Welcome to Store Watch friends. We are in Purple Turtle. We'll meet Mr. Radish Shetty. Hello Mr. Radish Shetty.
Hi.
Can you just tell something about your shop?
Well, the Purple Turtle was started about 4 years back.
Okay.
We started largely as a lighting store. Now we also offer furniture, but largely our lighting is what they use for hotels and projects, for IT projects and for largely resorts and stuff like that. But now our furniture has also been going into similar projects. So that's what we've been doing. Most of our lighting comes from across the country. We have about 14 designers working with us. So it's sourced from different parts of the country.
Do you have any other shop somewhere else in Bangalore?
We have one more in Sadashiv Nagar. It's opposite the Coffee Day. And then we have franchisees in Hyderabad. We are also just opening one more in Pune. So that's what we're doing.
Do you have any factory or something like factory outlet or something?
We have a workshop in Sarjapur where largely the lightings are made. Then of course we have workshops in CMS Road where a lot of these raw materials are processed.
From where do you actually bring all these raw materials and what are these made up of actually?
So we use actually different kind of products. So we work with banana fiber. So what you see downstairs, the banana fiber paper, it's all originally made with paper, which is processed from scratch. From banana fiber, they make the paper, then make the lights. Then similar to that, we also have fabric, which we use raw silk, poplin, different materials. Then we have glass, metal. So in metal we have brass, white metal. So there are different kinds of metal that we work with. So that's what is our specialty, because we're able to customize. We work with the diverse materials. So that's what.
How many helpers or something like do you have?
Designers we have 14. In-house we have 2. And then of course we have our sales. Then we have marketing.
Do you export also?
Not yet. We have supplied to a lot of clients abroad, but not typically like an export thing. We have done a couple of projects.
Also.
Yeah, we've done a couple of projects abroad. Yes.
So these are the ones, as you said, these are made up of banana fabric or something.
Yeah, it's banana fiber.
Fibers,
paper. And so we largely use banana fiber to make the paper. So if you see, each one has a different kind. So this actually is made out of banana fiber and copper inside it to give it the shape. So is that. Now these are actually woven, like how they weave fabric, they've woven the paper into it and banana fibers. So each one has a different story. So this is made out of copper and banana fiber. So the outer whole ring is copper and the inside is banana fiber. So each one is different. So we work on different materials. We fuse them with stone. So things like these, where we fuse it with stone and
you can just
paper.
highlight it.
That's right, yeah.
Okay, and all these are termite proof? Is it treated?
It's all been treated, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how long is it durable, sir?
See, we have clients, I mean the designer has been doing it for over 12 years now. So we have clients who come for, so even after say 8 years or 9 years, when you're coming to change it, all you have to change is the paper. So if you're taking like a stone fixture, all you have to do is redo the paper on it. So if you have a fixture which has these, we are also open to doing that, reworking on just the paper part of it.
Okay, do you give any home deliveries for bulk?
For bulk orders, yes, but otherwise pretty much clients come and just pick up what they need.
They can do it themselves. Okay, do you have any offers, sir, now?
Nothing currently, but we just have a larger range for Diwali.
Okay.
So we have more interesting stuff, more lighting for Diwali.
So you have all nice collections now?
Yes, a newer collection that's constantly coming.
Okay. Mr. Shetty, as you said, you're there for long years in this business. And any particular inspiration to start this business or something?
Inspiration largely came from the fact that there are not many lighting stores or furniture stores that offer customization.
Okay.
So you typically have to take what they have. So that's how we started off. We started off with working on projects. So we did lobby lights, we did large installations for projects. So
Okay.
that's what we started off with, and then the store started about 4 years
Okay. Any idea of expanding this?
Yeah, we are looking at franchises, we are looking at expansion, so across the country, but
Okay.
not so much in Bangalore. Bangalore, we're pretty much done.
You're already done.
Yeah.
And I just saw all these furnitures and all. You said you recently launched all these furnitures and all. It's pretty quite old, and it can be kept in gardens and all, no? And how about the furnitures going now?
See, largely these are very trendy right now. Now, if you see furniture pieces, they look old, but they're not old. They're
Okay.
made to look old.
Okay.
And they're made in large quantities for export. So that's what they're actually originally made for. But then it's a combination of metal and wood. Like if you see this table, it's actually a combination of cast metal and wood.
Okay.
So even a lot of our furniture outside as well. So the thing is, they're made to look like they're really old pieces which have been used. So that's what is in vogue internationally as well. So that's what we've been doing.
So which is fast moving, Mr. Shetty? Because as you said, furniture or lightings or might be this photo frames or anything like that.
See, it's always a combination. So I'd say largely people come to us for lighting because we are fairly known for our lighting because we've been in the business longer.
Okay.
But what is now catching up is furniture because we are able to offer a really interesting range and almost like every 15 days we have something new coming in. So you see a lot of sold tags because a lot of it moves out for projects and then we have new stuff coming in. So we have people constantly coming in buying furniture. So in terms of, the occasion for purchase is more with furniture. So you might come just once when you're doing your house up for lighting, but you might come constantly to buy furniture.
Furnitures and all.
So that way I'd say, while lighting is our main core business, but furniture has been moving faster.
Okay, and how about your lighting, sir? Can it be washed or how about the maintenance here?
See, that depends on what kind of fixture we're talking about. So if you're talking about fabric specifically, because you asked me, you can scotch guard them. There's something called a 3M scotch guard. So if you scotch guard it, it's extremely easy to maintain.
Okay.
It becomes dust resistant, so it doesn't hold the dust in. So that's something that you can do. The next option for paper and all, it just needs regular dusting. And with brass and other material, most of them are lacquered, so it doesn't change color or anything over period. Yes, glass can be washed or cleaned, but typically instead of washing, we just say wipe with a wet cloth and dry it off.
Or it can be vacuumed also.
Yeah, all these fixtures can be vacuumed. That's the ideal way to. So if you're doing it regularly, then you don't need to do an extensive cleaning over period.
Any particular interest in this, Mr. Shetty?
My passion lies with lighting. I still enjoy lighting more than anything else. And something that is close and dear to me is the banana fiber lights, what you see downstairs.
Yeah.
So that's something that has been very, very dear and near to me. And that's also been doing really well for us.
So it's moving very fast.
Yeah.
No, it looks very trendy also and it moves very fast also.
Correct, yes. And it's very unique to us. There's nobody else who's doing it.
As I saw down, your banana fabric actually it is fully in creamish or something. It's just like a raw material. You haven't given any paint for that?
We don't do it in colors. The thing is, we can dye it, but the quality of light that comes out from off-white and beige colors are the best. So it's warm. The hue that it gives is really good. So we haven't colored it. We don't sell it in colors.
Okay.